Hey pals, what do you think about these videos? Not bad, right? Alright, let's take a quick look at their stats. This first video, it's only been out for 2 months. 2 million likes, 130 million views. Now, check out this one, published around the same time, 255k likes, 10 million views. Pretty cool, huh? Now you might be wondering, are these even real? Absolutely. Here's the kicker. These videos were all made using AI. And guess what? The channel is already monetized on YouTube. Its monthly earnings, let's just say it's very impressive. So, if you're dreaming of making money on YouTube and want a channel like this, why not try this niche? The sooner you start, the better. I believe you can do it too. In this video, I'll walk you through step by step on how to create videos like these. Make sure you stick around till the end so you don't miss a single detail. Alright, there are 4 steps to making these videos. Step 1. Write a prompt. I've already prepared a prompt for you. Check the description box below. You can use my prompt directly or tweak it to suit your style. Open Chatgpt, use my prompt as a reference, and let Chatgpt generate something similar. For example, it could be athletes in other sports or entirely new themes, like a wedding scene. Step 2. Generate images. Here we'll use Picleman AI. Click Launch App, then Create. Select Flux 1. Set the ratio to 9:16. Choose 4 images. Paste your prompt. Hit Generate. Boom. Image is ready. How do they look? Pretty decent, right? Download the one you like. I'm going with the third one. Not happy with any of them? Generate again. With some trial and error, I've actually created a few more great images. If you have the time, here's an optional step. Upscale your image to 4K. We'll use CapCut Web for this. Open CapCut, go to Magic Tools. Select Image Upscaler. Drag your image in. Choose 4K and hit Upscale. Once done, click Export. Step 3. Turn images into Video Open Haluo AI. Click Create. Drag your image in. I use the prompt, 2 women dancing happily in the scene. Click Generate. It might show queuing. So while we wait, let's check out the video I made last night. How's that look? When your video's ready, download it to your computer. Step 4. Edit the video now for the final touch. Open CapCut. Import your downloaded video and music. Let's make a Christmas-themed video first, since Christmas is just around the corner. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, 2025. Drag in 2 Christmas videos. Resize them, trim out watermarks. Adjust the speed slightly slower. Add a festive Christmas song to the timeline. Tweak the visuals to match the music. And sprinkle in some snow effects. Voila! Export the video. Let's also make a sports-themed video. The steps are the same. And one more, a wedding theme. Drag your clips to the timeline, resize them, adjust the speed, add cheerful background music, and a celebratory effect. Done. Export it. Let's check out all 3 videos. What do you think, friends? Not bad, right? Of course, you can always get creative. Think about different sports, skin tones, and countless other variations. This way, you'll never run out of ideas. All right, pals. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.